Hello, I'm finally back, and during this time where we can't really go out, me and my mom decided to do something fun. And yes, I just said me and my mom. So, Mom, come in, join. What was that? Anyways, so for this video, my mom had to copy my look and see how she did. So let's see how the process was. So this is really my everyday, very simple, very easy makeup look. So I literally only just use concealer. She has her CC cream, she's gonna use that. I'm gonna use my concealer. This is also like a CC thing. So first, like here, just dab like this, and here, like this. Yes. And then just blend it all together. Blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna just use my translucent powder. She got her powder, and I don't really like a lot of powder because I like that dewy look. So I just like kind of just like go like this, just to get like any like shininess, like that's too much, or also to just set the concealer that I already put on. Usually after I apply the powder, translucent powder, I always go for my contouring. But technically it's like it's contouring and bronzing at two in one kind of thing. So now we go to the chin. What is that? This contouring your jawline. That's the word I was looking for. Contouring your jawline. Another side. Oh. Now I gotta cover up my double chin. Let's go like this. And this is when I contour my nose. I kind of go straight from the middle, and then down, and then up to my eyebrow area, like to the front of my eyebrow, yeah. Okay. And then I kind of blend it a bit out to like my nostril. Oh, like that. Yeah, okay. To kind of blend the line. After the nose, I kind of go to like my lid and contour my eyes this way. Okay, and that is it for contouring. So next, let's do my eyeshadow first. I'm using Candied Peach and Summer Yum. Mix those two. I always start from the outer corner, kind of like sweeping it a little bit like that. Out, yeah. Okay. And I also like blend it to the inner corner, but always stay in like my crease area. And now I take the Summer Yum color, that like brown peachy color, and then I mix it instead with a brown taupe color. This one I just focus completely on the outer corner. Only like the other corner? This side, yeah. And then I kind of like, sometimes I kind of like pull it out a little bit just to make my eyes look a little bit longer. Okay, I'm done going for my mom. And so I'm just gonna take this gold glitch color over here, and then I kind of want to show it to the camera too. What I'm doing is basically I start from the middle like this. Kind of just look at how wow pigmented that is. It's so beautiful. And then I just go to the front, and then just kind of like apply it to make. I just apply it in a way that you can get the pigment onto your eyes. So there's not really much blending, it's just applying it on. And it's okay if like, if it gets, some of the glitter kind of gets to the crease area, because that would make it look cute. Anyways, can you see? It's so pretty. So now I just go to my eyeliner. So I usually, this is kind of hard for some people, but you just gotta deal with it. I do it like inside the waterline on the top. A trick that would make it easier for some people is to like lift your head up and look down so you can, you know, without poking your eye. I would kind of drag it out down a little bit more, and then I would also kind of apply a little bit on the bottom, so it gives me more of like a darker, rounded look. I'm gonna go the extra mile and use the felt tip part, starting from the middle of the eye, and then outside, you know.
Oh, okay.
Just to like give a more like defined line on the eyeliner that you already did with the pencil. Okay, that's just what I'm doing. Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm gonna just go straight to my brows using my brow mascara. My mom is gonna have to do something different because she has a different case than I do.
I'm just gonna use my glossy.
Okay, so we're done with our brows. Get your mirror. Make sure you get every part. How about I land it?
Both, Jimin, both.
Then I'm gonna do mascara. And just, you know, everyone knows how to apply mascara, so just apply it. Next step, my favorite step, I'm gonna take a peach blush, and I'm just taking one from MAC. This one is literally called Peaches. Oof. That's this color here, and this is my staple, is having going ham on my blush. Anyways, I just go smile and I go like this. And then this is what really will take it to the e-girl level. Here. Ooh. E-girls would take it to the next level and make it more pink than this, but you know, for the sake of everyday look and not scaring people around me, I just keep it to this level. And next is highlighter. I use my finger, clean finger, little dot, you know.
And then
this side, you know, some people do like the whole thing. I don't like that. I just like here and here. So and I take it and put it on the brow bone. And then my favorite part, top of the lip, Cupid's bow. Now is also my third favorite step, and this is gonna take forever too because I love. Wait, I forgot my lipsticks. 1 second. This is my favorite travel pouch. Okay, if you can tell, this is Gong Gong Line. I don't know who is who, but this is Gong Gong Line. And it has all my lipsticks and everything. And since we're doing a peach color, I already know the lip combination that I always do for this. So first, of course, we already have lip balm on. So just use a nude tone color. And I'm gonna apply it everywhere. Go like this. And then I kind of like blend it out. Using a clean finger. I kind of just... You can even, like, if you don't want to use your finger, you can just use your lips. Like that. I'm going to use an orange color. Apply it in the center. So you just put it in the middle, and then that's the motion I always do.
Turn in the middle here.
Yeah, like let me a straight line, like from the ends. Yeah, like that. And then now we move on to the third color. It's a red color, like this. Just here, just the center.
Oh, cuma sedikit aja gitu.
It's supposed to just give that like more, like, ooh, her lips are like, ooh, circle, ooh, yeah. If you want to see with different color combinations, because you know this is just like the everyday coral pink, peach, red, but I can use different other color combinations for this effect. Let's see what it looks like. So if you guys want a tutorial on that, please tell me. I can do it. So now I'm taking a nude lip pencil because of the color because it's nude. So now you can see a little bit more of like the difference between like the inner part of my lip and the outer part.
Bawahnya juga ya?
Yep. Then now the fifth and final step, which is also an optional step, is if you have crusty, dry lips, this will make it look like you do not have crusty, dry lips. So, you know, just apply like every lip balm, a lip gloss.
Oh, nggak cuma di certain area?
Nope, just apply it everywhere.
Okay. Like this.
And oh my god, we're finally done after
Yay.
2 hours. And that is it. Woo! Okay, so this is the finished look. This is what we look like after we finally took 2 hours to do the makeup.
Yep.
My mom followed my makeup tutorial. What do you think? How well did she do? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the content. Hope you had fun and stay safe, stay healthy. I hope we can actually see each other and hang out one day once all of this is over.
Yeah.
And yeah, so until next time, goodbye.